You'll waste all your money if you don't hear this out. When you're looking for a new office space, there are two main options: renting or buying a commercial property, or leasing a fully serviced office. But which one is the right choice for your business? Let's find out. Renting or buying a commercial space might sound like a good idea, but there are hidden costs and long-term commitments which can make it less appealing. First, let's talk about what comes with renting or buying. You're looking at higher deposits, long-term leases, and significant financial obligations. These can tie up your capital for years. Add to that the cost of furnishing and equipping the space. Things like office furniture, electronics, and IT infrastructure. Then there is also the cost of unutilized space you're paying for, even if you're not using it. Not to mention you'll have to deal with delays, waiting for regulatory approvals, interior work, and renovations before you can even move in. All of this will block your time and money while your business is on hold. But what if you could skip all of this and move into a ready-to-use office space with no long-term financial commitments? Leasing a fully serviced office from Worky makes that possible. You can enjoy lower deposits, flexible leases, and minimum financial obligations. Everything you need with none of the hassle. Let's break down the key benefits. You'll be in a prime location with seamless connectivity and access to all the essential amenities right from day one. Yes, day one. No need for costly furniture or IT setup. From high-speed internet to meeting rooms and even lounge areas, everything is ready for you. You can move in and start working with minimal documentation and minimal waiting time. Worky's offices come fully equipped, and you only pay for the space you need. Plus, you'll be in prime locations that put you close to clients, partners, and opportunities. It's office space reimagined. So why deal with long-term commitments, high cost, and delays of traditional renting or buying? Choose Worky office spaces and enjoy flexible, scalable, and fully serviced office spaces that grow with your business. Worky office spaces, designed to grow with you.